Okay, so this is how to remove the rear boot latch mechanism. You've got the actual latch mechanism itself here, and the key hole there, and then you've actually got the latch part here. So for the actual latch mechanism itself, it's a T30, and there are just 2 bolts here. So I said T30 Torx. So undo this bolt here. So 1, and then second one. And then it comes out. Now, the electrical, it's a little bit, okay, there we go. So there's the electrical connector here, which has already been disconnected. You can see there, just goes straight into that. And there's a air hose that goes into that right there. So that's already been removed, but if you have a bit of pliers, you just use pliers to pull that yellow air hose out of there. And then, yeah, obviously the electrical connector there. So that's that part out. And then for the latch itself, I believe, are also, yeah, a T30. So you got 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there. These ones are actually quite tight. So I'm going to set my camera up. These ones are actually quite tight. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Holy, okay. See if I can. Sorry about that. Oh, okay, I'll be back. I need to go get my impact for that. Okay, so you can either use an impact, or if you don't have an impact, you can use one of these. It's just a 90-degree socket tool. So where's that T30? So it just gets you a bit more leverage. So I'll pop that in there. All right, now let's try that now. There we go. So this tool's great. It's a little elbow tool. A bit more leverage. There we go. Now I can swap that back to this tool. So that's 1 bolt. The other one, and that just comes straight out. Yeah, that's it. That's how to remove the boot trunk latching mechanism on a W210 E240 avant-garde model.